Hello everyone. Today we are making slime with no one, just me. Okay, so these are the ingredients: a bowl, glue, dye, borax solution, and a mixing tool. So first, put the glue in. So I've poured the glue in, and then put dye. So I put the dye in. Next, we want to put the borax solution, which is borax and warm water. Okay, now grab your mixing tool and mix. Now grab a container and you can store it somewhere, and yeah, there's your slime. Also, you can add glitter, beads, anything else to it, and have a nice day.